Welcome and thanks for joining us. This is a meditation with minimal guidance, just a spoken introduction and ending. Regular bells will sound to serve as a gentle reminder to notice where your attention is. If you find you've been distracted from your anchor of attention, note this without judgment and come back to your focus of attention, usually your breath. Let's begin. To start, settle into a comfortable position, sitting on a chair or cushion, or lying down if you can stay alert. Sitting tall like a mountain, with the eyes taking a relaxed gaze in front. Take a deep breath in, and release the breath. Take another deep breath in, and this time as you release the breath, allowing your eyes to close. And allowing your breath to settle now into its own natural rhythm, without trying to control it in any way. Bringing your focus now to where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly in the body. This may be in the chest or abdomen, or at the upper lip or nostrils, where the air flows in and out. Whichever place is right for you. And now, taking the next few moments to follow the flow of each breath from the start of inhalation right through to the end of each exhalation. A bell will sound later as a reminder to notice your attention. And as we come to the end of this meditation practice, gently bringing your attention back to the room, the sounds around you. Notice the pressure of your body on the ground. And just starting to move the hands and feet. And when you're ready, gently allowing your eyes to open. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.